Hi, my name is Dave Millett and I'm with Denison Yachting here in San Diego, California. We're here today to take a look at a great Beneteau First 40 and all of the beautiful features she has. As you can see, we're standing in the middle of a huge cockpit. Lots of room for you and your friends to operate the boat. The vessel does come with 2 optional seats, one for each side, for when you want extra seating aboard. You have lots of access to the bow and stern through a very wide side decks, easy to walk up and down the boat. The yacht's equipped with B&G instruments and all Harken equipment, Harken winches, Harken blocks. The boat is really a dream to sail. As we come down the companionway and enter the boat, immediately to our right we see the nav station. It's got chart plotter, all your breakers, all the instruments you need to plan out your next trip. Here we have our spacious galley with a stainless sink, top-loading icebox, 2-burner stove with oven, and plenty of room for preparing meals and hors d'oeuvres. Here in the salon we have plenty of seating for you and your guests. 6 total, 8 if you're real friendly, a table in the middle of the salon with leaves on both sides that flip up, plenty of room for all the food and hors d'oeuvres you can eat, and flip the leaves back down for great access through the boat. Forward, we have a nice owner's stateroom with double berth, ensuite head, and windows in the sides of the hull to give extra light during the day and extra viewing when you're underway. Moving aft, we have 2 identical guest staterooms, both with double bunks. Opening windows provide plenty of light and fresh air, and lots of comfort for the guests. Thank you once again for joining me here in San Diego, California to take a look at this beautiful Beneteau First 40. It's a wonderful sailing yacht, be wonderful for you and your family. Please give me a call. My name's Dave Millett at Denison Yachting in San Diego.